Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Cheryl and today I have a Stitch Fix unboxing to share with you guys. So Stitch Fix is an online styling service. They have Stitch Fix Women, Stitch Fix Men, and now Stitch Fix Kids. So everybody can get something with Stitch Fix. So you go online, you fill out a style profile, you are assigned a personal stylist. They curate a box for you based on your likes and dislikes. You receive 5 items. You can get it monthly, bi-monthly, or on demand, which is what I've done. There is a $20 styling fee, and that $20 will go toward anything that you decide to purchase from within the box. There is free shipping both ways, and there's an app that you can actually be as interactive with what you like and what you dislike as you would like to be. So it's a very, very fun styling service. I will leave a referral link in the description box below. Right now, if you click on that link, you will get $25 off your first box. I will get $25. Everybody gets $25. It's just wonderful. It's a great thing. So let's just get right into the box. So it comes to you all bundled up. You have a return mailer and you have a note from your stylist and also information about each individual items and a price list. We don't want to think about the price list. That's not any fun. It looks like I have some pretty colors in here. I didn't request anything specific for this box. I simply asked that she send me things that would be good for fall. So it looks like the first item that I have, oh my, this is by Cloe Oliver. It's just a little, like a little tank top, but it is open in the back. It does have a leopard print. It's very sheer. It's very pretty. We will give this a try. We will see what we think about this. This would definitely have to have something both under it and probably over it, seeing as how we are now going into some cooler weather. So the next item is actually another little top. This is by 41 Hawthorn. It's a beautiful burgundy sort of print with a floral, it looks like a navy blue, like floral print on it. That's very pretty. Try that out and see what we think about that. And let's see, our next top. I did ask that she'd only send tops because I didn't want any joggers. I didn't want any leggings or anything like that. So it looks like she has done what I asked her to do. This is a beautiful top. Oh my goodness. This one is by Sweet Gray. It's like a nude underneath with like a black lacy overlay. And then the sleeves are like a 3/4 sleeve. And it's like kind of like a tunic length. This is very pretty. I'm excited to try that on. That's a gorgeous top. Okay, and the next item is another top. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so pretty. This is by Raine. Oh, this is gorgeous. Wow, this is a long sleeve. The sleeves are kind of sheer. It has a beautiful print, and I don't know if the camera is picking that up, but it has like almost like a gold thread woven in. It sort of shimmers a little bit. This is beautiful. I'm very, very, very excited to try this on. It's sort of smocked around the neck, and the colors are just absolutely gorgeous. Very excited about that. So, then the last item that I have looks like it is a Moto jacket. Okay, this is cool. It's sort of like a denim material, but it feels like it'll be stretchy. This is by the brand Liverpool, which is cool. They're calling this the Power Flex jean. I don't know. I guess it's really, really stretchy. It feels as though it would be extremely comfortable. So can't wait to try that on too. So I'll be back in just a second to try all these on and show you guys what they look like. So the first top that I have is going to be the silk blouse, the little silk tank by Cloe Oliver. They're calling it an off-white. It's like a leopard print. This one is actually $68. So they sent me this in a medium. It is sort of a high-low. It has a split side. It's going to be a little bit too tight for me. And I think it's an absolutely beautiful print. I love the leopard print. I actually purchased a leopard, sleeveless leopard print top in my last Stitch Fix. So I don't really think that I need another one. But this is a very cute little top. Like I said, it is 100% silk and it is $68. So there we have it. Back again with the top from 41 Hawthorn. They're calling this the Tiffiny Tulip Sleeve Blouse. It's in burgundy. They sent me this in a size medium. It is $58 and it is so pretty. It does have the little short sleeve, the little tulip sleeve, little split neck, sort of a tunic length with a curved hem in front and back. I really like this one, and I will leave all the names, the correct names of everything, in the description box below in case you see something that you might want to request from your stylist. So here it is from the back, kind of a longer in the back length. This is very cute. This is something that you could wear it with jeans, or I could wear it with dress pants, like navy dress pants, and wear this to work. So I do like this one. Okay, back again with this little top. This is by the brand Sweet Gray. They're calling this the Carlisle mixed material top in black. They sent me this in size medium. This one is $78 and this is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Like the nude sort of underlayer with this black lacy overlayer. It's like a stretchy knit in the back and the sleeves. It's like a 3/4 sleeve. It is so incredibly soft. Oh my goodness, it is so nice. It's so comfortable. It's from the back. I think that this would look, I'm just wearing it with leggings that I had already had on, because on the weekends I typically just wear leggings. But I think it would be very cute with jeans. I really do like this. You do the little front tuck with it. It's kind of like almost like a baseball style, the way that it's cut around the neck and the sleeves. But I really do like this. Let me know what you think. Okay, back again with this little top by Raine. They are calling this the Salvatora Smocked mock neck blouse in black. They sent me this in medium. This one is $74. And when I pulled this out, I thought that it's such a gorgeous fall print. It's smocked around the neck. It sort of comes up a little high around the neck. It's smocked at the wrists. It is layered. It is like a sheer overlayer with that gold sort of thread detail woven through. It buttons in the back at the neck. I absolutely loved the print and I thought I am going to fall in love with that. However, when I put it on, I don't think it's extremely flattering on me. Just my particular body style, it's very blousy. And I mean, I could do it like a tuck. I could tuck it in and wear it with jeans or something like that. But I just don't, I don't know. It has like a little ruffle detail around the sleeve. It's very pretty. I don't think that it flatters me particularly. So let me know what you think. Okay, and the final piece, and what is probably my favorite piece of the entire box, this is the Liverpool Bradford Moto denim jacket in black, size medium. This one is $98. I just put it on over the little t-shirt that I was wearing when I started the video. Slipped it on over it. This is so stretchy and comfortable. It has like the little zip detail at the arms, the little side zip up the front, the zippered side pockets. This is probably the most comfortable jacket. It's so soft and so stretchy, and it is like a stretchy black denim type of material. It is absolutely the most comfortable thing ever. Here it is from the back. It does hit at a nice, like a nice waist length. This one, although I picked up a leather Moto jacket in a trunk club box a few weeks ago, I may have to keep this too. Let me know what you think. $98. So I don't know. I really do like it. So my thoughts on the other items in this box are the little silk top in leopard. I'm probably not going to pick that up. I felt like it was actually too small for me, and because it is sleeveless, it is so lightweight, and it is fall now finally, I think that I'm going to go ahead and send that one back. The black top with like the lace overlay with the nude underneath, I thought that was very pretty. That may be a keeper for me. The long sleeve Daniel Raine top, I'm so sad that I just don't like the way it looks on me. It's just not, it's cute, it's a cute top, it's just not cute on me. And then the little burgundy top, I really like it as well. However, with the short sleeves, I don't know. I'm gonna have to think on that one. But I'm thinking this Liverpool jacket is probably gonna be a big yes. So this may actually be the only thing that I keep out of this box. But please leave me a comment below and let me know what you thought about everything. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I really would love it if you would. It would mean the world to me. So, until next time, I hope you have a fantastic rest of the day and a wonderful week ahead, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.